Okay, back to the Duce robot. And I'd like to take just a minute here just to explain something I was going to tell somebody. Here we go with a blurry camera, just right on cue, as if I'm not busy enough. Alright, well, we'll sit here for 5 or 6 or 10 or 12 or 25 minutes that it takes for these cameras to do what they're going to do. But while it's doing whatever it's going to do, I'm going to have to explain this because I've got a lot to do. So, I was asked how I was moving the Duce robot around with the keyboard. And even though you can't see it, I'm very sorry, but this camera just is not going to cooperate, not for a minute. So here you go. I'm in examples right now. What I did was I downloaded the Citron Motors drivers library. It's in the Arduino. You can go right in and search it and it'll go in. You'll see it pop up in the libraries now. They have it in there. So what I did was I went to the example. Don't have a good camera. I'm just working by the seat of my pants here. So we're going to go here and we're going to go down to the, if we can find it. Where is it? Okay. The library. And then I used PWM and direction. That's the sketch. So we're going to go ahead and blow that up here. And in here, it's going to give you a very, very simple way to move your robot backwards and forwards one time. And you can build on it. It's really easy. Excuse me. I'm just getting the heck beat out of me by work. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I've been 7 days since the pandemic. So, this is what I used. I built on it. Obviously, you can work it to do left turns and right turns. And you could do, you know, and then get better from there and do a linear regression and stuff where you can make it go up a certain amount of feet, make a turn, come back. And that's what I do. So this here is hooked up to the Jetson Nano. That's the Arduino that is in the Jetson Nano. This doesn't have anything to do with ROS. This is just Arduino. There's the Nano there on the front of the Duce robot. I wired it around. I cannot plug it in and move it right now. There's no room. You can't move this in a tight space like I can the other one. But it goes into there. That's the motor drivers, the two Citron motor drivers. And either one of there's two libraries in there, and they both have the same example in them for this. For either one of these, either these or the other ones that you guys are using. And I just plugged it into the Mega 2560 there and download the sketch and fiddle around with it and move it, and you know, that's how you can do it. If you you just want to tell you to do it from the keyboard, like here, and you know, write a sketch. Now I know everybody probably doesn't have their thing on you know, obviously all the stuff mounted on top of their robot, so you could probably just do it with your cell phone. You know, it would be real easy, or a Bluetooth module. So if you want to do it with the sketches and the you know, the Citron motors and the motor driver library, this is how I'm doing it right here, just for now until I can get ROS up and running. Somebody had a question and this is the answer to it. So until next time, everybody, enjoy.